It's a four-wheel drive truck and the guy can't get out of here with it. Look at this. It's a foot and a half deep right here next to the house. There's my neighbor down there trying to shovel his out. Look at that, snow's almost up to the top of his wheels. Snow's piled 2 feet on top of that fence. The snow is up on the porch. It never comes up on the porch. Look at this. Straight up on top of this railing. It's incredible. Look at this. He got out with that truck and went up and down the street. Look at this. Look at this car. So I was hoping there wasn't too much snow on my roof, like collapse it, because it's flat up on top of that dormer. It's flat. It's the only house up here that has a flat dormer. That's my car. That's this guy, that's this van. Look at the snow. Look at this. That is a motorcycle under there. It's beautiful out here though. Look at this. Wet snow is hanging those branches down. There's a big 4-lane road right there, and there is no traffic on it. None. It's usually, that's Ohio River Boulevard right there, and the river's right over about 200 yards the other side of that. And that's my Christmas tree that I planted out there, and it's been growing for a couple of years. Incredible. Look at this. It's about 1.5 feet right here, but can't even find the sidewalk. The law in Pittsburgh says you have to shovel your front yard. Can't even find the sidewalk. Trying to walk up here. I was able to shovel this off, but look how high the snow is right there. Here's sirens over there. Look how high the snow is piled right on top of this railing. It's incredible. The guy over there has a police radio on.